Hi everyone! So this is a quick video tutorial kung unsaon na to mag-order sa ato ang Atomy Shopping Mall website. So there are two ways for us to be able to order. Pwede sa website, pwede po sa ato ang mga phone or tablets kung atong gamiton is ang app mismo, ang shopping app. So here's akong video karon. This is through your computer or sa ato ang website. So you simply of course logged in. So let's click login. And then, of course, kung member na ka, na nakay ID, na nakay password, log in ta. Then, right away, you go to shopping mall. Okay? Then, depende sa imuha kung unsa imong gusto orderon. So, in this example, kanya to ang video karon. Let's say I want to order my favorite coffee. Okay, I'll go to coffee. And then, I'll order this one. So, let's say, duha ka box akong orderon. Click lang ako. Plus pa para maduha na ni. And then, I'll click the cart. Now, once i-click ni mo ang cart, magawas na siya nga, murag na i-pop-up message, item has been added to your cart, just hit OK. So, na-add na siya. Then, if you want to add more, add na po ka sa laing category. So, let's say I want to order our, I loved our lip glow. Ito, ganahan kay ko ano itong lip glow. So, order ko isa, add to cart ulit. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Now, ganihan, nagbutang ko ganihag order, kaya naging tatlo ito kasi nag-order po ko shopping bag. Ikantay na ako regaluhan o na ako'y hatagan o sa Atomy products. Now, kung okay na kaanitanan, you can just select all items, imo lang ni siya i-click, or let's say for example, ang imong gusto orderon kay isa nimo palito ng shopping bag, kanilang sang kape, i-antik lang siya. But let's say orderon na to tanan. So, ayan na, lahat-lahat na yan. So, ang total is 1,720. Wala pa shipping fee na siya. So, once i-click na to order selected items, it will then prompt us sa ato ang details. So, customer information, which is ako. So, I'll put my phone number, ako ang email address, then ako akong pangalan as the sender's name. Now, of course, because I want this to be delivered sa ako ragihapon, ako agihapon pangalan ni butang nako dire. However, kung imo siyang i-deliver sa imong friend, pwede gihapon kay mura man dropshipping ato ang system. Pwede ikaw nag-order pero i-deliver nimo sa imong amiga nga taga Cebu or taga Cagayan, pwede gihapon. But in this example, sa ako na ko ipa-deliver, so I'll put my details. Ako ang phone number gihapon, ako ang address, and then for the city, just search location, i-click lang na, and then look for the region, imuhang province, then ako municipality, that's Santa Cruz. Then I will search the barangay zone 3. There you go. And of course, our zip code is 8001. For memo, pwede na, wala. Depende nimo kung nakay gusto i-message kung sa imuhang friend mo ipadala. So, there you go. Then, you hit continue. Once mag-hit na ka-continue, muhatag na siya karon sa shipping fee, which is 92 pesos. O, diba? By the way, we have a good arrangement between LBC and To Go. Kaya ato ang delivery fee, dili jud kayo mahal. Now, let's say ready na ka i-deliver ni siya, magpili na rin ka og payment information, payment method. So, we can use our credit debit card, pwede po installment, gamit ato ang credit card sa video, and then GCash, Maya, pwede po bank deposit, or PNB bills payment. Now, commonly ang ginagamit either GCash or PayMaya or debit or credit card. So, in this example, let's say GCash atong gamiton. So, just click GCash. Then, yes, I agree. Then, check out now. So, once mag-check out now na yan, okay, so nakita nimo ang total. I-continue ang payment. Okay, let's continue. Once mag-continue na siya, mahatag na karon si system og QR code. But I will not continue ordering this because again, this is just a video tutorial. So once imo ni siyang i-scan sa imong QR code, automatic ma-process ang payment through GCash. And that's how you do it via GCash. Thank you!